This segment of the Camden Tough video series is about installing an electric strike for a mortise lock set. You can identify a mortise lock set because it's cut or mortised right into the door. For our installation, we'll be retrofitting an electric strike on a hollow metal door with a metal door frame. We'll be using a CX-ED1579L all-in-one electric strike. This strike is UL 1034 burglary and UL 10C fire rated. It's a universal grade 1 electric strike, fail-safe, fail-secure, 12-24 volts, and it is non-handed. The 1579L comes with a wide selection of strike faceplates, so you always have the right strike faceplate for your application. Camden supports the installation of our electric strikes with cutting jigs. We'll be featuring a cutting jig in this installation. We'll start our installation by using tape to protect the door frame. Then we'll use a cutting jig to mark out the body of the strike. This is a CX Jig 6 that is designed specifically for the 1579. We'll remove the latch strike plate, and now we're ready to make our cut. We could use a Dremel cutting tool or a router and a jig, but in this case we're going to jigsaw the opening in the door frame. We start by drilling the holes in the corners and then using the jigsaw to cut the frame. We'll file the opening to make sure there's no sharp edges. In this installation, we'll be using the trim plate that's included in the package. Then, install the body of the strike in the opening to confirm the fit. We will now select and install the faceplate that is compatible with our mortise lock set. After we've installed the strike, we can test that the latch enters the body of the strike correctly. The gap between the keeper and the latch is good in our installation. We'll do one final check to make sure that the strike operates perfectly, and then we're done. In this video, we've shown the installation of a mortise strike in a retrofit application. Your installation may be a little bit different. If it is and you run into problems, please give our technical support department a call. We're always here to help.